Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the problem number 5 from the exercise of trigonometry and measurement chapter. So as you can see, the problem states that if the angle of elevation of the top point of the tree, so we need a tree, and as you can see we have the diagram of a tree right here. So the angle of elevation of the top of the tree is 60 degree at a point on the ground. So this is very important to mention that the point is on the ground and it is 15-meter distance from its base. Okay, so if this is the tree, the base should be here, right? This is the top of the tree and this is the base of the tree. So from the base we need to find a point that is at a 15-meter distance. So based on this given information, we need to find the height of the tree. So let us think about the tree, as a straight line. Okay, and as this point is we are considering as the base of the tree, from this point let us say we found a point, this point that is at 15-meter distance. It is at 15-meter distance. Now the angle of elevation that will be made at this point is given to be 60 degree in the question. So this is the angle of elevation. You know that from the horizon, whenever we are going in the upward direction to form an angle, that is called angle of elevation. So these informations are given. From this we need to find the height of the tree. So basically that is basically the length of this line, right? That is the height of the tree. If I can find the length of this line, then I can say that is the height of the tree, correct? Okay, so now let us name this triangle. Oh, one thing I'd like to mention, this tree you don't have to draw in the exam. Okay, the triangle that you can see with the black lines, okay, that triangle if you draw in the exam, then that is enough. Okay, so let us name this as A, this point as B. Definitely this will be at right angle with the ground, and this point is C. So we will start by mentioning the description of the tree. So we considered, let AB be the tree, C is a point, C is this point which is at 15-meter distance from B. C is a point at 15-meter distance from B. B means base of the tree. They said 15 meter from its base, so we considered B, the point B is the base of the tree. Okay, so here we can write, so BC will be equal to 15 meter. Now they said the angle of elevation is 60 degrees, so the angle of elevation is being formed at C, so we can write BCA or ACB. Okay, this angle will be 60 degree. Now they told us to find out the height of the tree, right? The height of the tree means AB equal to what? Now we are going to take the help of the trigonometric ratios, but you know that there are 6 of them. Now which one to use? Okay, now the selection process is easy if you can just answer 3 questions. Okay, number 1 question that you need to ask yourself, what is given? Okay, so first name out this given sides. Okay, 90 degree or the opposite side of 90 degree is hypotenuse, so this one is hypotenuse, right? 60 degree, if this is the angle 60 degree and theta we are considering, then the opposite side of it, this is opposite, this is opposite. Okay, this is hypotenuse, that is opposite, and this 15 meter it is actually adjacent. Okay, so out of the 3 sides we know the length of adjacent only, so we will write adjacent. What we know, it is adjacent. Number 2, the question that we need to ask ourselves, what we have to find out? We need to find out the height of the tree, and that is the opposite here, so opposite, right? So the third question is, which trigonometric ratio can we form using these 2, adjacent and opposite? If you remember, so kahtua, from here you can see, so I will write it. You can see that opposite and adjacent, this is available here, right? Opposite and adjacent. So we will use tan theta. Okay, so whatever I wrote here, this is just for your understanding. This you don't have to write in the exam paper. Okay, So let us continue our calculation in triangle ABC. Tan, the angle is 60 degrees, so tan 60 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is which one? That is AB, and adjacent is BC. So the value of tan 60 degree is √3, and AB we have to find out, and BC is 15. So then if I cross multiply, okay, so AB will be equal to 15 √3. Now if you want, you can keep the answer in this format also, no problem. As the unit here is meter, you will write it meter, or if you want, you can take it into the decimal form. So let me just take my calculator and check what the answer is in decimal. 15 then √3, it is showing 25.98, 25.98, and obviously there are some more digits after it, so as I did not take the whole number, so it's better to mention approx, means approximately. So that is the height of the tree, right? So using the concept of trigonometry, we can easily find out the height of a tree. Okay, so that is one of the practical use of trigonometry. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, then kindly let me know in the comment section. Okay, so thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.